Imagine a frictionless surface with a wall on one end. Let's place two blocks here, both weighing exactly 1 kilogram each. When the big block is pushed, the first collision happens. The small block bounces off the wall and strikes the big block one last time before parting ways. In total, we get exactly 3 collisions. But what happens if the incoming block is 100 times heavier? The smaller block now turns into a high-speed ping-pong ball, trapped between the wall and the heavy block. Jumps up to 31 times. Notice something? 31 contains the first two digits of pi, 3.1. Scale the mass to 10,000 to 1, and collisions become 314. At 1 million to 1, it reaches 3,141. Every hundredfold increase extracts the next digit of pi. But why pi? The answer is hidden inside the conservation of energy. If we plot the velocities on a graph, the law of physics forces the system onto a perfect circle. This is a beautiful testament to how deeply connected physics and mathematics truly are. Subscribe for more visual mysteries, and I will see you in the next video.